Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber, karibu sana sana. If you're a returning subscriber, I love you so much and thank you guys for having my back. I am super excited for the 1,000 subscribers. So I am very excited on today's video. I got a couple of requests in regards to it. I decided to do this video because it's 2020 and you guys, you know, we cannot go outside with our eyebrows looking all. Anyway, I'm going to get into the video. Get to like this video, click the subscription button below, and also don't forget to leave a comment. It's 2020 guys, so you guys know, like, your eyebrow game needs to be up there, and for some of you guys, I know you have a challenge in this area, so I'm gonna just show you guys. We won't be outlining with the concealer, we'll just do it like a 1 2 3 and go, you know what I mean. So most of the times I use this method in case I'm not doing a full face makeup, if I want to do my eyebrows only and then have a clean face. But if I do a full face makeup, I normally go in with the concealer. So for today we'll just pitilia juju. We'll be using a few items. I use eye pencil, which is this. Aside from the eye pencil, I also use the eyebrow gel, the Max Touch brow gel. You guys can see it over there. And for the brushes, I normally use two. I might decide to use the spooly, which is this one over here, Bobbi Brown spooly, or also I use this one at different times. So I'll just get into this video and show you guys how I do it, so you guys can follow step by step. Since you're not outlining our brows with a concealer, I'd pretty much advise you to use this method if your brows are already trimmed or they are shaped. You can either do that by threading the razor and so on. So make sure your brows are shaped. That is the first step. Then after that, you come with your brush and then try to shape it according to the form you want it to take. Once I'm done with shaping them, I'll just take my eyebrow pencil and outline the outer areas of my eyebrows, the shape that I want. And this is where the hard part comes in, because most of the times you find that you don't outline a straight line. Your line might be crooked a bit, but once you practice, the line will become a little bit finer. You know, some guys prefer shorter eyebrows, let's say like from here to here. Others prefer longer. So according to your face structure, you can decide on how long you want your brows to be. So this is how I prefer mine. I don't know how you guys prefer yours, but I hope you get the idea. Once I'm done with the lower part of my brows, I'll go to the upper part of my brows and also do the same. So for the upper part, I won't start from the inner side as below. I'll just start from here and then go towards the end of my brows. Once I am done outlining my brows, I'll take my brow gel and my brush. So this plus this. So I'll just use this other side of my brush to fill in my eyebrows. So when I feel it from the tips of my eyebrows to the front side. Same for the other side. Once I'm done filling my eyebrows, what I'll do, I'll just take the spoolie again and then try shape it. So once I'm done, I told you guys at the beginning of the video I used two brushes. So I'll take that brush and try brush it from this tip so that at least you give your eyebrows a look that's not artificial. So that's it, guys. That is how you do your brows in a quick and easy step. You don't need to outline or whatever. And as you can see, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, click the subscription button below, and also leave a comment. You can share it with your friends, because I know some of your friends and some of my friends, of course, I'll have to share this with you guys. Thank you for watching and have a lovely time. Can't wait to see you on my next video. Bye.